If you want to have customers that will pay you on a monthly basis with their card on file, charge 12 times per year, and you come and clean for them 4 times per year, then one of my trucks are missing. It is over at the shop going to get outfitted so that we can put it together and make it match all the rest of our trucks. If I was going to start over again, and if I was going to do the work by myself, I would not have all of these trucks matchy-matchy. We started out trailers and they get pulled by that van over there. This hasn't been wrapped yet. Turning into these types of trucks here, where we have our bleach, we have our water, we have our soap, we have our roof oil and conditioner, and we have our bleach neutralizer here. Here are our new trucks. But if I was going to start over again, I would have to decide, do I want to have multi-trucks or do I just want to do single trucks? And if I was going to do single truck, I'd probably have a humongous box truck that's wrapped so it's a driving billboard. I would have all the goodies inside. I'd probably run 8 to 10 gallon per minute machines. I'd have a soft wash machine ready so that me and a helper could do all the work that we could in one day. My goal would be to make anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 a day. I would do package pricing. I would do everything that I could to maximize the amount of money that I could make per ticket. But if I wanted to create a scalable company, everything all matchy-matchy and everything has to be exactly the same so that everything can be measured and organized. If you're the type of person that wants to grow beyond just a single truck and you want to have employees that do what you want them to do with a happy attitude, if you want to have customers that call you back on a regular basis, or even better, if you want to have customers that will pay you on a monthly basis, that will have you clean all year long with their card on file, charge 12 times per year, and you come and clean for them 4 times per year, then I'm the guy to talk to. Because I've created a program that allows customers to maintain their home on a regular basis. I've created systems so that no matter what type of environment you're in, whether you're in a climate with snow or whether you're in a climate where you can clean all year long, I've designed a system so that you can get monthly recurring revenue for your exterior cleaning business. If that's of interest to you, I've got a conference that we have coming up on July 7th, 8th, and 9th here in Orlando. And I'm going to teach you the 30 systems that you need to be able to properly grow your company. I'm going to take the mystery out of what does a $1 million business look like. You know, when I first started, I stood on the hill of starting my business and I looked real far in the distance and there was this mountain, this $1 million mountain. And when I looked down to see how I got there, all I saw was clouds. As I grew the business, my hill got a little bit closer, but I couldn't get any clarity of what does an actual business look like that does $1 million in revenue. How do you hire awesome people that will do what you want them to do? Take care of your equipment, take care of customers. Do they even exist? How do you market? How do you sell? How do you hire office staff to help you while you're in the field, to help you when you do sales? How do you do sales? So I've created 30 different systems that I believe every $1 million company should have, and I'm teaching it in 3 days. Part of those 3 days, a half day, we're going to be cleaning a house, different than what you've probably cleaned before. It makes pressure washers scratch their head wondering how customers can pay us on the way that we clean, but customers love it. They love their house to be cleaned on a regular basis. I'm taking all of the mystery out of what a $1 million company looks like. If that is of interest to you, please contact me. Let's talk. We got a conference coming up in July. I also do individual coaching. One of the big things that I'm promising is that the conference costs $7,500. It is an investment. I just want people who are serious. That's why I priced it at that point. Because we all know that you probably don't have a problem investing $10,000, $15,000 in equipment, but do you see the value of investing $7,500 in your company so that you can have recurring revenue? And if you do, here's my guarantee. I will work with you for free until you get $7,500 in yearly recurring revenue. After the conference, I'm going to work with you one-on-one in a systematic manner. I'm always available every single day, but I'm going to teach you exactly what to do and help you implement all of these strategies into your company so that you can make $7,500 in recurring revenue to give you the foundation of how to build this up. And if you want my help afterwards to grow even bigger, I'll continue to help you. But that's what I want to help you with, is $7,500 in yearly recurring revenue. I'm going to make sure you get your investment back. So if you want to invest in your company when it's not related to equipment, and you want to eventually have the courage to buy 2 trucks at a time, we have a 4th truck at the shop. This one we're selling, and we're also selling this trailer. If you want to have the courage to buy 2 trucks at a time because you have recurring revenue, as of this video, I've got 212 customers that pay our company on a regular basis that we clean for. If you want to create that in your own company, you want to learn how to grow, take the mystery out of it, and finally break those ceilings, finally have peace in your company, peace in your life, peace in your marriage, then give us a ring, contact us, follow the link below. Excited to hear from you and wish you the best. See you soon.